How's it going, everybody? This is Sandra Wright. Today is August the 14th, 2019, and you're at my page, Right Timing with Sandra Wright. And today I want to talk about your daily routine. What should you be doing with your business on a daily basis? So, to get results, you need a routine that, every day, 5 to 6 days out of the week, you should be some tasks that you should be doing on a daily basis to get results. If you're a new marketer, you want to develop that skill set first in one primary thing, whether it's social media, doing email marketing, or even doing offline stuff. So once you develop that skill set, and I recommend going through that process for 90 days, every day, just hitting goals every day. If you're doing, say for instance, you're doing YouTube videos, if that's the skill that you want to develop, do it for 90 days. Do it 5 to 6 times out of the week, and you'll see as you do it, your progress will improve and you will get better, like I'm trying to do. So that's one suggestion. Or your email marketing, because this is all about building a list. And as you're doing these tasks, this is part of, I talked about you running your traffic. You have your funnel developed. So you're throwing, you're getting your pipeline, people coming through your pipeline, you're capturing those emails, and they're going through your autoresponder, and you're building your list. So that's what you want to do as, a new marketer. And it's as a seasoned marketer, you probably develop, a couple of skills. So you might be doing a blog and Facebook, YouTube videos, some SEO, things, and other social media platforms that you use on a daily basis. And then also, part of really digging into your business is you're developing a team. So you want to help your team out, because that enhances your results as well. So you have team meetings, you're involved in a company, so you're going to attend the webinars, because that's how you get your information. You stay up to date on what's going on. So these are income producing things that you want to do on a weekly and daily basis. Also, is training is necessary. So you want to make sure that you do the training, but not just read it and go over it, but you want to apply that training. So that means taking action. And what you want to do, you want to take massive action. So remember, the name of the game is get enough eyeballs on your opportunity. Do things. It doesn't take long. 2 to 3 hours. Boom, boom, boom. Knock yourself stuff out and get it done. Once again, this is Sandra Wright. You're at the right place, because this is Right Timing. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you can get notifications of other videos that I make. Take care and have a good evening.